Hi everyone, welcome to our premium video editing section. So on the button to the side of me, we have got a button that leads through to the portfolio. I'll just show you some of the videos that we have edited for promos, website top videos, stuff like that. I did do an SEO walkthrough about a year ago, and in that SEO walkthrough where I taught everybody how to build a website themselves to rank on Google the best that they could, I said that Google will be edging more towards multimedia. It'll be edging more towards like images and videos. It really is. It really is. And what people aren't doing out there is utilizing this. What you have got with AlphaGrafikon is the full package in one. We are video editors as well as web developers, so we will incorporate video as much as we can. Whether that be a promo video at the top of your website that just plays on repeat. If there's a video at the top of your website and it catches somebody's attention who lands on your website for the first time, they may stay on your website for just the extra length of that video. They would stay there for longer than if the video wasn't there. Google sees this as you having relevant content and it'll move you up the search engines organically. So yeah, I call them premium videos because I've had a look at the other videos that are out there, and while there is 1,000,001 talented video editors, I do class the footage that we put out, the finish that we put out, our stuff, really to be a high class finish, because I put everything I've got into every single video, and every day's a school day, so I'm always trying to learn new things and make sure the next video I create is better than the last or different, or I'm trying to learn something new. So if you do want to try us out with the promo video, look, we do social posts as well, so they're like your little square videos for Instagram, your longer videos for your social media stories. So yeah, if you want something, drop us an email, just let us know what you need, and then we'll get in touch with you and see what we can come to an arrangement. Have a look at the portfolio. If you do want to have a look at some logo animations, they are below me, but I would suggest you have a look at these video ones first. Cheers guys!